Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It's another beautiful day to discuss money and collectibles, so let's get to talking about another great coin to look for.
How much is your 1939 Washington quarter worth? You would be surprised that these quarters look very similar to any other Washington quarter you would find in your pocket, but their value is typically going to be much higher than most of them that are joining it in your pocket change. On a low end, these can sell for around $8 or $9, and in upwards of $100 to $150 in really high conditions. Now, there is, of course, a cost to get the coin graded, but in some cases where this coin can come back really high grade and sell for well over $100, it might be worth it. There's also quite a bit of silver content at 90% silver in these coins from 1939, and so that alone is going to be a good value. There are quite a few errors to look for in these, like double dies as well as off-center strikes, so those can be really valuable, sometimes selling in the thousands.